Guys, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys see with the title, we have a few products here from E.l.f. that we're going to be trying out. We just have like 2 products from them. They just recently came out with this Acne-Fighting Putty Primer Universal Share, and this is it here. We're gonna try that on the skin. It says acne fighting, so I still want to use it as a primer to see how it works with makeup, and I think you could use it by itself. I actually gonna use this more by itself because I do break out more over here, so I want to see if this is gonna work for acne itself. But it did say here that could use it prior to makeup application, allowed to sit for 30 seconds before applying foundation. So the thing that is very hyped right now is cream bronzer, and of course E.l.f. came out with their bronzer girl. And this is it here. This is the putty bronzer, and I got the shade Sunkist. Now I wish this was a little much bigger, but you know how E.l.f. is with their products. Their stuff is a little bit small, but this is retail for $6, okay? So this is cruelty-free and vegan. 5 available shades on the Ulta website. So the key ingredients is argan oil and vitamin E. It's great for all skin types. So this is highly pigmented. It gives skin a natural sun-kissed glow. A unique putty to powder formula with a semi-matte finish. I wish the bronzer was like this size. It looks like really green in the bottle. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe it's coming off a little bit white on camera, but the actual color is green, okay? So let me just apply this first. All right, so let me just put a little bit there. Let me see how this works. I'm gonna put it right where, you know, I usually have a lot of breakout, like right there. This is really soft on the skin. And actually giving my skin a little glow as well. Like E.l.f. has some really nice products, guys. Don't sleep on the products, and I always tell you guys that. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit on the face for 30 seconds, they said. Okay, this is gonna work. This is perfect. So the darkest shade here is Sunkist. So Sunkist is the darkest shade that I've seen on the website here. Let's just see what it looks like on my hand. It's really soft though. Yeah, this is gonna work. Very creamy. Really, really nice. No smell. This is really soft in the pan though. Why they didn't make this the same size as the putty primer? So small. I have to really use this to see what it does to the skin, but so far it gives me a nice glow. That's about it. See, like right here. So this is a foundation that we're gonna use. This is also from E.l.f. and this is a flawless finish foundation, and this is the shade Nutmeg. I really miss doing makeup. As you guys see, like I really not into makeup as before. I couldn't pass on this product because I really do love E.l.f. product, and I wanted to like try it out for you guys. But as you guys see on my channel, like I'm really trying to like change up a lot of stuff on my channel. It's just a lot been going on, but I hope you guys are doing well. Everything is going good for you guys. I actually love this foundation. This is like one of the best foundation I've tried out from E.l.f. and it's actually my shade. I don't have to think about getting another shade. So I'm not gonna put a lot of the foundation. I'm just gonna make sure that my nose are covered and just like dip it in. This is one of my Amazon brushes. Because since it's like really small, I think the brush probably will work better. So let's just go in here. Look how beautiful this shade is like. And I really do love cream bronzer. I said that a few times. I think when I started off doing YouTube and like playing out with makeup, I really didn't like cream bronzer because I think back then I had like oily skin. That's before I start doing YouTube. I really do love cream bronzer. Cream bronzer really works good for dry skin, and this blends out so beautiful. You see how everything is just coming into place? My face is just looking glowy and bronzy. So I'm just gonna bring that down right here. This brush is really good. This is actually a foundation brush, but it actually blend out really nice. Like, look at this. So I'm not gonna go back in the pan. I'm just gonna like, you know, try to blend this out. just bring that up a little bit, and it's blending out really nice. It's very creamy. You see how well this bronzer just like it blends into the skin really fast. This is a must-have. I haven't seen any bad reviews on this product yet, and this is really soft in the pan. I recommend you're using a brush, something like this, or smaller, that could fit in there and pick up the product. It's just really beautiful. See that glow? See a nice glow? Some cream bronzers don't work well with foundations, like it just like bleed out, but this one works pretty nice. I love it. I think I have a little bit more on this side. So with this concealer here, this is also from e.l.f, and this is a hydrating concealer, and this is a satin finish. This is the shade Deep. See how it just make everything look so different with the concealer? It just like lift everything. And I'm gonna take a little bit and put on my eyelid right there. So I'm gonna go in with my Revlon setting powder. So this is what I'm using on the lips. This is Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is Fenty Glow that I'm wearing on the lips. Okay, this is like one of my favorites. So yeah, so this is the one I'm wearing. So this is how it looks, girl. You know me, very simple. So I didn't set the bronzer because I wanted to see how it's gonna work on its own, and it's really pretty. Blends really good. It's very soft on the skin. This is a must-have. Like, if you can't afford expensive bronzer, just get this one. Sunkist is a very beautiful shade. It's not that dark. It's just so beautiful on the skin. I actually like it. I think it's a great investment if you guys love e.l.f. products. Look at it. It just blends really nice. And then I put a little blush on top of there. Thing that I like about this, it blends really fast. Like 1 2 3 blends into the skin. When you blend it out, you really don't see it. It just looks very natural, as you guys could see. I was like really scared that it would be too dark because it looks really warm in the pan and more on the red side, but as you blend it in, you really can't tell. And I like it with the brush. I'm not sure how it's gonna work with the sponge. Let me know what you guys think about this product, and all the other products that I use in this video will be listed down below as well. So to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for sticking around, and to my OGs, I see you, girl. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me all these years. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.